Jane of Moonlight Tales by Janey, and I welcome you to today's live stream. So in today's live stream, we are going to play some fun, quick math puzzles together. And don't be alarmed, don't panic. The quiz questions are actually very simple ones, and I'll give you 30 seconds to answer them. But for the purpose of carrying everyone along together, I'll be giving 20 minutes for each question. So stay on this live. Is going to be a fun one. I have 5 quick math puzzles to share with you guys today, and I'll be giving you 20 minutes, like I said earlier on, to answer each question, and then I'll be swapping the questions where necessary. Okay, so before we get into the what we have for today, let me know where you are chatting from in the comment section, and please, rather the chat box, make use of the box. If you are just joining, hi, welcome. I've seen that one person has joined my live. Hi, welcome. I'm Jane. And I'm going to let you guys know that I'll be doing this silent live stream for a long time. I'll be going live every day where I'll share quick math fun puzzles with you guys. Okay, so now let me share the first math puzzle with you guys. And please take note that I'll be muting my microphone at some point, just so you guys can focus and solve the math puzzles. They are very simple math puzzles or questions. Anyone can answer it. Okay, so now that I'm done with the introductory part of this video, let's get right into the video. Let me share the first quiz with you. I'll be swapping my camera right now. So the first math puzzle we have on the board is this. What is 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8? You have just 30 seconds to answer this question. You have just 30 seconds to answer this question. I'll be giving you 10 minutes, like I said earlier on. Let me mute my mic and give you guys time to answer the question. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jane. I believe by now you've started solving the math puzzle we have on the board. I just noticed that one person has joined my live. Hi, welcome. My name is Jane. I'd like you to solve the math puzzle on the board. Okay, welcome. Welcome. Tell me what 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8 gives. I'd like to know. Hello there, good evening. Welcome to my live stream. I'm Jane. I have a few math puzzles for you to solve today on my screen. So tell me what 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8 is. Hello, my friend. If you're just joining my live stream, welcome. My name is Jane. I'd like you to solve the math puzzle on screen. Thank you. It's just a simple math question. What is 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8? I believe by now, if you've already joined the live stream for a long time, you would have gotten the answer to this question. So, I remember saying I'll be giving you guys 10 to 20 minutes to answer the question. So, in about 10 minutes' time, I'll be back to tell you guys the answer to this particular question. Thank you. So how is it going? I believe by now you've gotten the answer to this question. It's quite simple. What is 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. This is a quite simple math to solve. Okay, so let me know the answer to this math puzzle on screen. If you're just joining my live stream, welcome. I can see that someone has joined my live stream. I don't know why the person keeps coming in and going out, but that's fine. Anyway, you have 8 minutes left before I'll be back to tell you the answer to this particular question. Keep solving. I believe by now you have gotten the answer to this question. Let me know in the chat box below what 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8 is. Okay, welcome to my live stream. I've seen someone has joined me. Welcome, my name is Jane of Moonlight Tales by Janey. I'm so glad that you've joined my live stream today. Thank you and God bless you for joining my live stream. I have a quick math puzzle on screen for you to solve, so kindly solve it. Hi there. Thank you for joining my live stream. I can see one person has joined my live stream. Welcome. My name is Jane of Moonlight Tales by Janey, and today we are playing some fun, quick math puzzles together. So I'm just going to flip my camera once again for you to solve the easy math puzzle I have on screen. Thank you for joining. Thank you. God bless you for joining my live stream. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll flip my camera right now. Welcome to the second person that has joined my live stream. Today we are playing a math puzzle. The question I have for you right now is a very, very simple one. It's a very, very simple one. What is 8 plus 8 divided by 8 times 8? What does that give you? This is a very simple math question. Remember I said earlier on that I'll be giving you 10 minutes to solve each question. And right now, the 10 minutes is about to elapse. We have just 3 minutes. I'll be back in 3 minutes to tell you the answer to this particular question. I remember saying earlier on at the beginning of this live stream that I'll be muting my microphone at some point, so I'll give you some time to think. So know that when I return in 2 minutes time to share the answer to this particular question, I'll be sharing the next puzzle with you. That one is a little bit more complex. It's not even really that complex. It's quite simple. So let me show my face to the second person that has joined. Oh, the person has left again. I don't know what the problem is. But to the person that has stayed so far, thank you. Look at my face. Look at my face. Welcome to today's live stream. We are playing some quick math puzzles together, and they are quite simple ones. Very, very simple, I tell you. Okay, so I'll be flipping my camera once again for you guys to solve that quick math puzzle I have on screen. If you're just joining my live stream, welcome. Let me know the answer to this quick math puzzle in the comment section or in the chat box. Let me know the answer. It's a very simple one. Thank you for joining my live stream. I'm so grateful. So, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I think the answer to that particular question is drum roll. The answer to this math puzzle is actually 16. Yes, it's actually 16. So I'm going to share on screen the next math puzzle. This one is a little bit tasking. It involves words and numbers. It involves alphabets and numbers. Numbers rather. I think the top of my microphone just fell. I'm going to pick it up. So stay with me while I share with you the next question. Okay, if you got the answer to that first question, let me know in the chat box. It was quite simple, right? Like I said earlier on, the answer to that question is 16. So I'll be sharing the next math puzzle with you guys, and You will have just 10 minutes to answer the question once again, and I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm giving you 10 minutes so I can carry everyone along together. But normally, anyone can solve this math puzzle quickly in just 10 seconds. So let me just stop talking and paste the other one on the board, on the wall for you guys. Then I'll flip my camera. Thank you for joining my live stream. I'm so grateful. Stay with me. So I'm rolling out my tape now so I can paste on the board the next, on the wall rather, the next math puzzle I have for you. Stay with me. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. To that one person following me, thank you so much. Thank you. You are the best. I'm almost done pasting it on the wall. So now that I'm done, I'm going to flip my camera, guys. It's quite hot right now, even though I'm sitting outside. Whew. I'm going to flip my camera for you guys. And I would like you to answer the next question, okay? Remember, you have just 10 minutes to answer the question, and I'll be back to share the answer with you. So the question says, if A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3, what is the value of IQ? I'll take the question once again. If A equals to 1, equals to 2, C equals to 3, what is the value of IQ? What is the value of IQ? You have just 30 seconds. I'll be back in 10 minutes to tell you the answer to this question. If A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3, what is the value of IQ? This is quite simple. You can figure it out yourself. It's quite simple. Hello, if you're just joining my live stream, welcome, welcome. We are playing some quick math puzzles together. I have something on screen for you right now. And the question is, if A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3, what is the value of IQ? I and Q. Just look at what you have on screen and try to match it. If A on the alphabet gives you 1, and B gives you 2, and C gives you 3, what does I and Q give you? Okay? Add what you get from I and what you get from Q together. Sum it up and tell me the answer. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Let me mute my microphone and give you some time to solve this math puzzle. can see that someone else has joined my live stream. About 4 other people. Welcome. I'm so grateful you joined my live stream today. Oh, we're up now. Welcome. Thank you for joining my live stream. My name is Jane, and in today's live stream, I have some quick math puzzles I would like you all to play together with me. They are quite simple. We have something on the board there, on the wall rather, there for you to solve. I'd like you to to it. It's very simple. If A equals to 1 and B equals to 2 and C equals to 3, what is the value of IQ? Just tell me what you got from I and what you got from Q and sum it together and you have your answer. You get what I mean? Sum it together, add them together and you have your answer. What is the value of IQ? We have 6 minutes left. I'll be returning in 6 minutes to tell you the answer to the question. Okay? I'm going to use my microphone once again to give you time to concentrate and find the answer to the question. If you know the answer to the question, let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. Please make use of the chat box. Tell me the answer to the question in the chat box. Okay? Thank you for joining my live stream. Welcome. Welcome. I'm so grateful you joined today's live stream. I have a quick math puzzle on the wall for you to join. I can see that 14 persons have joined my live stream. Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. Rather, I'm Moonlight Tales by Janey, and I'm welcoming you to today's live stream. I'm just sitting outside my house, and I decided to engage you guys with some quick math puzzles for you to solve. They are very simple. Anyone can actually solve this. It's very simple. Remember I said earlier on that I have 5 quick math puzzles I'll be sharing with you, and this is the second one. So we still have 3 more to go before we round up today's live stream session. Okay, I believe you've already arrived at the answer a long time ago. I believe you've already arrived at the answer. So tell me the answer to this question. I'm going to flip the camera rather, so that you see my face. Because some persons are just joining and leaving. But maybe if you see my face, it would encourage you to stay on. Okay? Hi to the 10 persons that have joined my live stream. My name is Jane. Welcome to today's live stream. In today's live stream, we are playing some quick maths puzzles. As you can see, there's one of them on the wall. I displayed for you there on the wall. So I believe by now you've almost arrived at the answer. So just a little bit and then flip my screen for you guys to continue solving the math puzzle. It's not a difficult one. Please make use of the chat box there. Tell me the answer to this math puzzle, please. Thank you. I'm flipping my camera once again. To the to my wall rather, so that you would see the math puzzle we are currently solving and tell me the answer to the question. Make use of your chat box. Also tell me where you are watching from. I'm live streaming from Uyo. Uyo is in Akwa Ibom State, and Akwa Ibom State is in Nigeria. Let me know where you're chatting from in the comment section. Thank you. I'll be muting my mic very soon to give you some feedback and to tell you the answer to this question in 3 minutes. I think we have 3 minutes left. Okay, so for those who have stayed on till now, thank you. God bless you. Next live stream session, I promise you I'll bring your way more interesting and complex puzzles for you to solve. But for now, we have this simple one on the board. tell me the answer. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. It's up, and I'm going to tell you the answer to that particular question. The answer is 26. The answer is 26. I is 9, and Q is 17. So 17 plus 9 gives you 26, right? I'll tell you how I derived that answer. So A stands for 1, B stands for 2, for 3, D for 4, E for 5, F for 6, G for 7, H for 8, then I for 9. That's how I got 9 for I. And then I kept counting to um, Q, and Q is 17. So 9 plus 17 gives you a total of 26. If you got that answer, a round of applause for yourself. If you got the answer to that question, a round of applause for yourself. So I'll be quickly sharing with you the next math puzzle I would like you to solve. This one involves some shapes, actually triangles. You have to count the triangles in the box and tell me how many triangles are displayed on your screen. Do you understand? So I'll be doing that right now. Stay with me while I paste it on the wall and flip the camera to share my screen with you guys. Remember, the next question is coming up next, so stick around. Let me just clean this hair. Oh, so I'll drop it. It's wasting my time. So I'm going to flip my camera now and share with you the next question. So count the triangles in that box and tell me how many triangles are in the box. Don't mind my drawing. It's quite funny. But count it and tell me how many triangles are in the box. This one is a little bit tasking. It demands your eyesight. Make use of your eyesight clear enough for you to see. Thank you for staying on this live stream so far. God bless you so much. So count the triangles in the box and tell me how many triangles are in the box. You have 30 seconds. But as usual, I'll be back in the next 10 minutes to tell you the answer to this particular question. I'll be muting the microphone now to give you guys time to concentrate. Let me know in the chat. You guys are not making use of the chat box or the comment section. Let me know the answer to the question when you've arrived at the answer. I'll be back in 10 minutes to tell you how many triangles are actually in this box. If you're on this live stream, welcome. My name is Jane, and today I'm sharing some quick math puzzles with you guys. I'd like you to tell me how many triangles are in the box. Just look at the box and count the triangles. It's quite simple, and let me know how many triangles are actually in the box. You have 30 seconds to do so, and to let me and to tell me rather the answer to this question in the chat box or in the comment section, and I'll be back in the next 10 minutes to tell you the answer to this particular question. Thank you for joining my live stream, and stay on my live stream. Let's solve these quick and easy math puzzles together. To the very one person that is still staying on, thank you so much. Welcome. I can see 4 persons have joined the live stream right now. Welcome. My name is Jane, and today I'm sharing some quick math puzzles with you guys. As you can see, it's quite simple. Tell me how many triangles are in the box. Tell me how many triangles are in the box. I hope you can see clearly. Count the triangles and tell me how many they are in the chat box. That's all I need to know. Thank you so much. I give you guys 10 minutes, and I said I'll be back in 10 minutes rather. So we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes from now, I'll be telling you the answer to this question. Tell me how many triangles are in the box. I'll be muting my microphone once again. But first of all, let me flip the camera so you can see my face. Hi, hello, good evening. My name is Jane. Welcome to my live stream where we play math puzzles together. Welcome. So I have something on the wall for you to solve. Ignore the noise, the car horns. I'm actually sitting outside my house, so some noise from the roadside might be filtering into this live stream, but just ignore it and focus on what we have for today, which is the maths puzzle on the board, on the wall rather. I just decided to show my face for a little bit so that you know that I'm still on this live stream with you guys. Now I'll flip the camera once again. Thank you to the two persons that have joined my live stream and have continued to stay so far till this very moment. God bless you. So I'll be flipping my screen again. Let me mute the camera for you guys to concentrate. I'll be back. I've already talked for 2 minutes, so I'll be back in the next 3 minutes to tell you how many the answer to this question. So begin to round up. Begin to round up. So back. Welcome back. Our time is up. The answer to that particular question is 25. So there are actually 25 triangles in that box. Yes. If you got the answer to that question, a round of applause for yourself. A time will come when I'll be doing giveaways to people for joining this live stream and getting the answers correctly. For now, I just want to build a community of people who love what I do and who love playing fun games like this together and love being entertained through stories or by stories rather. So the answer to that particular question is 25. I'll flip the camera now to show you the wall so that we'll count together. So there are 25 triangles. Count with me. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, and 25. Yes, the answer is 25. There are actually 25 triangles in that particular box. So if you got the answer to that question, a round of applause for yourself. I'm so proud of you. Yes, I'm so proud of you. I'll flip my camera. Stay with me while I share the fourth math puzzle with you. Remember I said earlier on that I'll be sharing five math puzzles with you guys. So we are done. We are done with three actually. So we have two more to go. So I'll share the fourth one with you guys. Stay with me. It's quite a very simple one. These are very easy math questions that I can do. Okay. So I'm done pasting the fourth math puzzle on the board. It's a very simple one. I'll flip the camera now and share my screen, the other side of the screen with you. So the triangle has a value of 3, the square has a value of 4, and the circle has a value of 5. So if you sum these three together, what does it give you? Very simple. What does it give you? Add 3 plus 4 plus 5 and tell me the answer. Let me know the answer in the comments. You have 30 seconds. You can answer this question in 30 seconds, but like I said earlier on, I'll be back in 10 minutes to tell you the answer to the question. So I'll carry everyone along and give everyone time to, solve this math puzzle. So I'll mute my camera once again and give you time to solve this particular math puzzle. Hello to the 3 persons that have joined my live stream. Welcome. Tell me the answer to the math puzzle on the board. If the triangle has a value of 3 and the square has a value of 4 and the circle has a value of 5, sum them up and tell me the answer. What is 3 plus 4 plus 5? This is simple arithmetics. Anyone can get the answer. Welcome to the person that has just joined my live stream. Thank you for joining. I'd like you to solve the quick and simple math puzzle on the board. What is the answer to the question? I'll be muting my microphone once again. We have just one more question to go after this. Remember, this is meant to be a 1 hour live stream and our time is already up. So very soon I'll be leaving, but for now, enjoy the puzzles while they last. So sum this up and tell me the answer in the chat box in the comment section. I'm muting my microphone right now. To the one person that's continued to stay with me on this live stream, thank you and welcome. How is it going, guys? How is it going? I believe by now you've gotten the answer a very long time ago. That is in fact, it's the simplest question I've shared so far on this live. So the answer to that question, let me flip the camera once again. The answer to that question is actually 12. So 3 plus 4 gives you 7, and 7 plus 5 gives you 2. Right? Yes. So that's great. I'll be sharing the next um, question with you guys. So guys, stay with me while I share the next question, which is the last one for today's life. And for this particular one, rather, I'll be giving you enough time, ample time, to answer the question. It's quite simple. It's just like the first question I shared with you during the live stream. During rather at the beginning of this live stream. So hold on while I just paste the last and final on the wall for you guys to see. If you're just joining my live stream, welcome. I've noticed that one person has joined. Hi. Hello to you. My name is Janey. I'm so glad you've joined my live stream. During my live streams, I share fun and easy math puzzles with you guys. And I also share stories sometimes. In case you don't know, this is an African folktale channel. That's what I do. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Know that every day at this time, from evening downwards, I'll be doing a live stream. So please gladly join my live stream. I promise you it's going to be fun and engaging. I'll be testing your IQ. It's good for your brain to be sharpened once in a while. So let me quickly share the last math puzzle with you guys, okay? Remember at the beginning of this live stream I said that I'll be sharing 5 math puzzles with you guys, and we've done 4 so far. Now I'm about to share with you the last one. So hold on while I paste the last math puzzle on stream. I'm almost done. So now I'm going to flip the camera for you to see the last and final question. For this particular question, I'll be giving you 15 minutes since it's the last one. So I'll be back in the next 15 minutes to provide the answer to the question. So the ball is in your court right now. Let me flip the camera. So tell me, what is 9 divided by 3 times 3? What is 9 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3? Tell me the answer in the box or in the comment section. I'll be so grateful if you do that. Okay? Tell me the answer in the comment section. Add 9 plus 9 together, then divide whatever answer you have by 3, and then multiply the answer by 3, and that will give you the answer to this particular question. Okay, I'm going to mute my microphone right now and give you ample time to solve the question. You can actually answer the question in 30 seconds. But like I said, just to carry everyone along, I'll be giving you 15 minutes to answer the question, and I'll be back in 15 minutes to tell you the answer to this particular question. Thank you for joining my live stream and staying put. Tell me the answer to this question. What is 9 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3? So over to you guys right now. I'll mute my microphone and give you time to solve this particular math puzzle. Hello to the one person that still stayed on my life. What is the answer to the question on the board? On the wall, rather. Tell me the answer to the math problem of the wall. What is 9 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3? You've gone? Tell me why you left me here alone. Oh, I can see that 3 people are back. Welcome back. I'm Jane. And in less than 1 minute, I'll be telling you the answer to this question because I've already given you guys enough time to find the answer to this math puzzle on the board. It's quite simple. What is 9 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3? Tell me the answer. I'll be muting the microphone once again to give you time to round up and tell me the answer to the question. So your time is up. I think I'm going to tell you the answer to the question right now. Let me flip the camera. So guys, the answer to that particular question, or rather that particular math puzzle I just displayed on screen with you guys is 18. So 9 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3 gives 18. That's the answer to the question. Am I right? Let me know in the comment section or in the chat box. Make use of the chat box. So I said earlier on when I began this live stream that I'll be sharing 5 math puzzles with you guys, and I have done that so far. I thank you so much for staying with me on this live stream. To the persons that joined my live stream and stayed to the very end, thank you, God bless you. And even to those who kept going on and on, off, rather, coming on and off, thank you. I promise that the next live stream would be, or will be rather more engaging, okay? To be more engaging. Thank you so much for joining my live stream once again. My name is Jane of Moonlight Tales by Janey, and on this channel, I share timeless African folk tales with you guys. My stories always have moral lessons. There's always something to learn, and it's usually sensational. Rather, I have a new upload on my channel. Go over to my channel and watch that particular video. It's mind blowing. It's engaging. So thank you to the person who has joined us. Hi, hello to you. My name is Jane of Moonlight Tales by Janey. Oh, he's gone, or she's gone rather. Oh, 2 people are back. Well, welcome. Thank you for joining my live stream. I shared five puzzles with you guys today, and we are done with them all. I believe that next time I live stream, you guys will join my live stream and chat more with me. So, thank you. We'll be doing this again, same time tomorrow, the evening time. That's usually when everyone is back and is trying to relax from the stress of the day. Okay, so thank you for joining this live stream. I'll be back tomorrow to do this again. Okay, tomorrow will be better, I hope. Yeah, I'll bring more engaging math puzzles and share them with you guys. Okay, sometimes we would even do word puzzles, and sometimes it would be animal puzzles. But note that from now henceforth, I'll be going live every day in the evening time. That'll be when you're back from work or school or whatever activity you engaged in for the day, so that we can play some fun quick math puzzles together. Okay? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Subscribe to Moonlight Tales by Janey. On this channel, I share timeless African folk tales or bedtime stories with moral lessons. Okay? Thank you so much. See you same time tomorrow. Okay? Bye. I'll be ending the live stream now. I can see that two persons have joined. I'm about to leave. Thank you for joining my live stream. See you the same time, this same time tomorrow. I'll be going live once again between the hours of 3 and 5, and I'll be sharing these amazing quick math puzzles with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today. Thank you for playing these math puzzles along with me. Thank you to the two persons. I appreciate you so much. Do this with me again tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. I'll be leaving right now. Bye.